If you watch my channel, you know that I'm doing a review on the Air 3. I'm working on that right now. And obviously, the most important thing you can consider on a drone is the quality of the video that it shoots. So uh, I wanted to share a bunch of clips for you to look at and consider. And I've also taken these clips and put them in a zip file, and there's a link in the description below. You can click and download those, and you can actually work with the video files straight out of the camera yourself, so you really understand the quality that you get with this drone. Um, I guess that's it. Without any further ado, let's watch some video. Are you enjoying the videos, seeing the video clips? I hope so. If you decide you want to buy the Air 3, please use the link in the description below. It's an affiliate link. It provides money so I can keep buying things to do videos about. So it's a win for you and a win for me when you use the affiliate links. So that's it for the clips. If you want to actually see the clips straight out of the camera, unedited, use the link in the description below. It's free. There's no registering or anything like that. You can just click and download the file and test them out yourself. I've got links to other videos on screen right now, so you can check those out. If you're not a subscriber, hit that cartoon Jeff in the middle and subscribe so you'll know what comes out in the future. And I appreciate you watching.